Coming to you from CTL Truck Sales, Phoenix, Arizona, on this lovely Arizona morning of October 9th, 2014. Today we're showcasing this gorgeous Hyster diesel-powered forklift. It's a 1995 year model. It has 6,400 actual hours on it. Perkins diesel engine. It lifts up to 14 feet high, 8,500 pound capacity lifting. It's got a side shift, tilt, and up and down. All the hydraulics are in excellent condition. There's no leaks. The engine runs very well. It's been freshly painted here at CTL Truck Sales. We did a very nice, very well detailed job here. But this forklift is in fine condition. Excellent for what we call rough terrain, outside type of service. Everything is in good shape. Absolutely no leaks whatsoever. Seat cushions are in very good condition. Here we have the nomenclature plate with the serial number. Everything works just fine on this. Our advertised price is $10,500. Website, ctltrucksales.com. Telephone number for your convenience is area code 602-278-3350. We are proud to offer this forklift to the public. Thank you.